Hello and welcome to Cloudy Math. Today I want to show you how to solve systems of linear equations graphically. Let's look at the solutions. There are three possible solutions to the system of linear equations. The first graph intersects at one point. In this case, the system of equation has only one solution, given by the point of intersection. The second graph are parallel lines. In this case, the system of equations has no solution because the lines never intersect. The third graphs overlap on each other. In this case, the system has infinitely many solutions. The solution set is the set of all points on the line. The first example has two equations, y equals negative 2x plus 1 and y equals x minus 2. We are able to graph each linear equation one at a time. Since each linear equation is in slope-intercept form, we are able to identify the slope and y-intercept. The coefficient of x is the slope, so m equals negative 2, and we rewrite the negative 2 as a fraction, which is negative 2 over 1. Based on this fraction, we are able to tell the pattern of this line, which is down to right 1. And then we can write the y-intercept, which is whatever after the x. So b is equals 1. When we graph the equation, we always start from the b, so we can find the point on y-axis at the point 1. And then follow the pattern down to right 1, down to right 1, down to right 1. Try to find as many points as you can, because the more points you have, the more accurate line you will end up with. Then we can connect these points and write the equation next to the line. We can do the same thing for the second linear equation. The slope is an invisible one, so m equals 1, and rewrite the 1 as a fraction, which is 1 over 1. And we can tell the pattern of this line, which is up 1, right 1. Then the y-intercept is whatever after the x, so b equals negative 2. We start at the b, so we find the negative 2 on y-axis, and follow the pattern up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, and try to find as many points as you can. Then we connect those points and write the equation next to the line. Now the graphs intersect at one point. That means we only have one solution, and we can write the solution as a coordinate point, which is 1, negative 1. And this is the final solution for this example 1. The example 2 has two equations as well, but the difference is the equations are not in slope-intercept form. So step 1, we need change to the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We do each equation one at a time. For the first one, we transpose the 2x to the right. We have negative y equals negative 2x minus 2. Then we divide negative 1 for each term. Then we end up with y equals 2x plus 2. Because it is in slope-intercept form, we can identify the slope and the y-intercept. The m is 2, because the 2 is the coefficient of the x. We rewrite the 2 as a fraction, which is 2 over 1. And from here, we can see the pattern of the line, which is up to right 1. Whatever after the x is the y-intercept, so b equals 2. Now we can graph this line. We start with the b. We find the 2 at the y-axis, and then follow the pattern up to right 1, up to right 1, up to right 1. Try to have as many points as you can, and connect this point and write the equation next to the line. For the second equation, we do the same thing. We transpose the 4x to the right. We have y equals negative 4x plus 8. The coefficient of x is the slope, so m equals negative 4, and we rewrite the negative 4 as a fraction, which is negative 4 over 1. And from here, we can tell the pattern of this line, which is down 4, right 1. And whatever after the x is a y-intercept, so b equals 8. And now we can graph. We start with the y-intercept. We find the point A on the y-axis and follow the pattern down 4, right 1, down 4, right 1, down 4, right 1, and try to have as many points as you can. And then we connect these points and write the equation next to the line. These two lines intersect at a point, so that means there is only one solution. We write the solution in coordinate point, so the solution is 1, 4. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will update algebra tutorial every week, so see you in the next video.